Hey everybody, my name is McClintock, and today I would like to teach you how to play How Insensitive and one basic Bossa Nova pattern that you can use to play the entire song. So we're going to open up on a D minor 9. And then we're going to move that down to a C sharp diminished. And now I'm using the real book for these chord changes, and they recommend going to a C minor 6. But personally, I prefer a C minor 6 9. I think it's just got a little bit nicer sound, but you've got some options. And now we're going to go to a G7 over B. And we move to a B flat major 7. I'm just going to slide this shape up to an E flat major 7. And then we've got an E minor 7 flat 5. And now here, the real book recommends going to an A7 flat 9, but I prefer going to an A7 with a flat 13, but either will work. And then I'm going to go back to D minor 7, and then the real book recommends a D flat 7, but here I prefer a D flat 9. Either will work, but it's just personal preference. So now for the second half, we've got a C minor 9, going to a B diminished. That's going to go back to B flat major 7. And now we're going to go back up to the E minor 7, flat 5. And again, you have the choices of an A7 flat 9 or the A7 with a flat 13. And then that's going to go back to D minor 7. And then this measure, we're going to do a D minor 7 quickly. And then the real book again recommends a D flat 7, but you can also use a D flat 9. And then the last 8 measures are C minor 9, going to F7, B minor 7, going to an E7 flat 9, B flat major 7, an A7 flat 9 like this. And then for the last chord, the real book recommends a D minor 7, but I actually prefer a more final, just straight up D minor for that, for the very, very end. So there you go. If you want the chord grids, iReal chart, and standard notation and tabs when available, it's all over on my Patreon, and you can find a link for that in the description and pinned comment below. So now the pattern that we can use for this entire tune is what I call pattern 1. It's like the foundation of Bossa Nova, and it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 So now I'm teaching it in 4, but I want us to feel it in 2. So instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, I just want to count 1 and 3. So 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Pretty much just try to feel your thumb, right? Your thumb is just right there on the A string. 1, 3, 1, 3. Or if you wanted to just feel it completely in 2, instead of counting 1 and 3, just count 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. If you're enjoying this lesson and want to go deeper, my course, How to Play Bossa Nova, The Essential Rhythm Method, is over 2 hours of step-by-step training on 10 core Bossa Nova patterns applied to classic songs like the Girl from Ipanema, Che che Gi Saudade, and Desafinado. You can find the link in the description or the pinned comment below. So with this one pattern, we can play the entire song nice and easy. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and also leaving a comment below. Not only does it help with my exposure on YouTube, but it helps keep me super inspired to make future content just like this, which I've got a whole lot more coming out soon. So stay tuned, and again, please hit subscribe.